Welcome to Walks in Wilderness, where the hustle of the city meets the serenity of nature. Join me as I take you on immersive journeys through bustling cityscapes and serene wilderness escapes, where nature whispers and the world slows down. From the hidden gems in urban jungles to the untouched beauty of nature, every walk tells a story. Whether you crave adventure, seek tranquility, or just need a moment to escape the everyday, you'll find it all right here. Hit the subscribe button and let's walk together through the cities and wilderness of the world.